I'm Courtney Skinner. Welcome back to the tongass temperate rainforest of southeast Alaska. I'll be your guide today as we take another look in the woods.
We're gonna go check the trail cam and see what we got going on out there. And it's about a, 7-8 minute walk through the woods. And we're gonna play hide and seek with my Belgian Malinois named Bruno. Search and rescue training. So, Courtney has him in the house, and when I radio her on the walkie-talkie, she's gonna let him loose, and then we'll start the timer. Let's see how long it takes. Over the river. Snow's so deep. It's about 3 foot here. Go check the trail cam. Courtney's cute little footsteps. Hey, Courtney, I love you. This is our backyard. What do you think of it? Pretty cool, huh? Okay. Let's see. Hey, Courtney, can you hear me?
Hear you loud and clear.
Well, I am at Porcupine Spot. Why don't you go ahead and release the dog? We're going to see how long it takes.
On it. has no clue.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Opening up the door now.
Here we go. Let's see. See how long it takes. He should be
It's
coming.
on my Donkey Kong.
Okay, quiet on the radio so he doesn't hear mine. I never, ever hide over here. Here we go.
Yeah.
Good boy, Bruno. He found me.
Nice.
Yeah, he got me. He found me. Let's go, boy. That's my trail cam you're smelling. He's marking up the woods, peeing everywhere. Come on. Yes. Yes. Let's go. What are you doing? Want me to throw it again? Out. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Come on. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Good boy. Let's go home. Let's go home. Show me the way, dog. Choking on the snow. Hey, Bruno. That was a good boy. Thanks for finding me. Thank you for finding me. Hey, bub. Bruno. Yeah, that's a good boy. That's my good boy. Yes. And we're home.